Welcome to this tutorial that will walk you through the functionalities of Scenarium, a tool that associates uncertainties of different scenarios to fast and accurate reserve estimation. The very first key step consists in estimating the oil and gas initially in place in surface and reservoir conditions. These volumetrics are calculated using high-resolution petrogeological models. The calculations are based on the equilibrium between gravity and capillary forces. It provides fluid volumes in standard and reservoir conditions, 3D saturation distributions of each phase, and saturation along wells. Next, the Scenarium plugin performs an uncertainty analysis on fluids in place from different scenarios for black oil representation with fixed and variable bubble points, including gas condensates. Now, let's start. You have opened a Petrel model with all data required to go through an existing Scenarium experience. It is now time to launch the plugin. You will find it in the Process Manager. Please launch Scenarium. Volume calculation. In order to calculate the volumetrics, the plugin requires certain items of data. These are a simulation grid and associated facies definitions and porosity properties. A number of such grids are available in this project. Please watch carefully where these data are found. You may repeat this sequence to identify the location of the data. Now, choose a grid from the drop-down menu of the Scenarium panel. Click Next to advance. Thank you. Please choose a facies definition from the drop-down menu. Great. Now choose a porosity property. Great. The module now requires saturation functions and fluid property data to calculate volumetrics. A number of such objects are available in this project. Please watch carefully where these data are found. You may repeat this sequence to identify the location of the data. Click Next to advance. Now that we have reviewed saturation functions, please choose one for our tutorial. Click Next to advance. Great. Now choose a fluid property model. Perfect. You have provided all data required for volumetric calculation. Now click on Compute Volume. The volumetrics calculation has completed. You can go to the Results tab to examine and plot the outputs. You may plot any of the results by clicking on the radio buttons and checkboxes. You may display saturation along a well. Click Next when done. We now move to the uncertainties module. Scenarium enables a rich set of uncertainty parameters. The uncertainty workflow helps the user make the right decision by analysing different geological model scenarios with uncertainty associated to each. Results of all scenarios are displayed on the same graph to allow a comparison and the easy comparison of results. Now please choose parameters, a distribution and associated variables. Thanks. We will now launch the uncertainty computations. The iterations have completed. Please review the results, iterations, scenario comparison. Click Next to continue. You have now completed the tutorial. Thank you and goodbye.